चैनल बी ब्लॉग में आप सभी स्वागत करती है। ब्लॉग में आज हम पढ़ाने जाने पार्टीशन फंक्शन। द पार्टीशन फंक्शन इज डायमेंशनलेस क्वांटिटी। इट्स सबराइजर इन कन्वीनियंट mathematical form as to how the energy of system molecules proceed among the molecule. The value of partition function depends on the molar mass, the temperature, the molar volume, the internuclear distance, the molecular motion, and the intermolecular forces. The partition function provides a bridge to link the microscopic properties of individual mole molecules such as their discrete energy levels, moment of inertia, etc. with the microscopic properties like entropy, heat capacity, etc. of a system containing a large number of molecules. Expression for molecular partition functions for a microcanonical ensemble. It is defined by Q is equal to I from 0 to x gi exponential minus e upon e t k t, where j is the statistical weight factor and is equal to degree of degeneracy. That is, the number of superimposed energy state is significance can be understood with quantum theory. K is Boltzmann constant and equal to the ratio of gas constant R to Avogadro constant Na. K is equal to R upon Na. If Na No N0 is the number of molecules occupying the lowest energy level of degeneracy 0, and Ni is the number occupying a higher energy level with energy Ei above the lower energy level, then the Boltzmann distribution law gives Ni is equal to N0 upon G0 Gi E exponential minus Ei upon kT second. The total number of molecules is the sum of all such terms are given by the equation is equal to N1 N0 N1 plus N2 N3 Ni sigma Ni N0 upon G0 Gi exponentially power minus Ei upon kT Gno upon G0 upon Q. No Geo बराबर N by Q. Third, substituting this expression for No Geo into equation second gives Ni upon equal to N Geo Gi exponential minus Er upon kt. Ni upon N equal to G exponential minus Ei upon kt upon Q. Fourth, equation third is written as N naught upon N equal to Q naught upon Q 1 upon Q if G naught equal to 1, since N naught upon N is the molar fraction. Since N naught upon N is a mole fraction of a molecule occupying, hence partition function is equal to the ground state reciprocal of the mole fraction of a molecule in the ground state. RQ is equal to 1 upon N naught upon N upon N naught. Since N by N naught is greater than 1, hence Q is always either equal to 1 at absolute 0 N naught upon N, and only one energy level is possible, accessible or greater than 1 at higher temperature. At higher temperature, Q is much larger than unity. Only a few molecules occupy the ground energy state. Equation third and fourth tell us that Q is a pure number and a dimensionless quantity. The partition function applies to system of any physical state. The molecular partition Q is calculated from the data obtained from quantum mechanics and spectroscopy for monatomic gases. There is no rotation and vibration. Even the electrical excitation at normal temperature is rare. Hence, that only contribution to the total energy is because of the translation motion of a monatomic molecule. Physical significance of a partition function qualitatively speaking, the partition function indicates now the particles are distributed among the various energy state. It is a measure of available energy state. Partition function F is a quantity, a characteristic of every substance and also a mixture of substance of a system. It reflects the density, diversity of energy state of the molecules of the system and the relatively probability of these states. In other words, the relative population of any two quantum states P and Q is given by the ratio by P upon NQ, and P is equal to Ng P e power minus EP upon KT upon Phi upon F. NQ is equal to P Ng EQ e power minus EQ upon KT upon F. PP upon PQ is equal to NP upon NQ QP QQ e power minus EQ minus EP upon KT. The term P denotes the probability at a particular level. So the second term form of distribution law gives the population in two different level. Case first, if these two states are degenerate, EP is equal to EQ, it follows that they are equally populated. Case second, if EP is greater than EQ, then NP is greater less than EQ. It follows that they are equally populated. Case second, if EP is greater, it follows that they are equally populated. Case three, as long as EP minus EQ is less than KT, the population will be of the same order of magnitude. If there are meaning low-lying states of matter energy is substantially lower than kT. They all will be well populated related to ground state according to Maxwell Boltzmann. Ni upon n not equal to Gi upon G not equal minus Ei upon kT. Ni equal to number of molecules in energy degenerate. Gi and 0 are degeneracy of labels state I and 0 respectively. Where E not equal to energy of 0 label, then G not equal to 1 Ni upon N naught Gi power minus Ei upon kT. Take summation of the average. Above equation we get Ni upon equal to N naught Gi power minus Ei upon kT. But Gi power minus Ei upon kT is equal to F. Summation Ni is equal to No F since here summation Ni is equal to N. Hence N is equal to N naught F or F बराबर N by N naught. The equation states that partition function is thermally of total number of molecules in zero level at above 0 T is equal to 0 Kelvin or T is equal to 0 degree Celsius. All the molecules tend to go in zero level. So as T is tend to 0, then this tend to N naught. Therefore, F is equal to N upon N naught. F will increase. In other words, higher the temperature, larger is the value of partition. The partition was introduced by Fowler and is a dimensionless quantity. It will depend upon the molar weight, molar temperature, etc. The sum of probability factor for the various energy level or the ways in which the energy of the system is partitioned among the molecules constituting the system. It is the ratio of total number of molecules to the total number of molecules in ground energy state. Internal energy E is equal to N naught E naught N1 E1 plus N2 E2 dot 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 Ni Ei to Ni summation Ni summation Ei Ni of N upon F e power minus Er upon kT E is equal to N upon F Ei e power minus Ei kT. F is equal to e power e minus Ei upon kT dF upon dt is equal to upon kT square summation Ei e power minus Ei upon kT summation e power minus Ei upon kT is equal to kT square dF upon dt. Combining equation first and the second we get E equal to n kT square upon F upon dF dt is equal to n kT square d log F upon dt t RT square d log F upon dt. Ask R by n expression for the fifth. Give the value of internal energy in terms of partition function. The average of each molecule is equal to kT square d log F upon dt. Entropy is equal to nk log F plus k beta E. B is equal to 0. Since beta is equal to 1 by kT, we have n is equal to nk log F plus nkt d log F upon dt. From equation 3 and 7, we have is equal to nk log F plus nkt d log F upon dt. 8. Work function A is equal to E minus T. Substituting the value of S from equation 7, we have A is equal to E minus T nk log F plus E by T. A is equal to nk log F plus E by T. A is equal to minus nkt log F. Pressure P is equal to, we know that D upon dV at constant temperature is equal to minus P. Differentiating equation 9 with respect to volume at constant temperature, we have D upon dV at T is equal to minus nkt d log F upon dV. Therefore, P is equal to nkt d log f 1 dV. P is equal to nkt d log f 1 dV. Heat of content is equal to E plus PV is equal to nkt square d log f 1 dt plus E nkt d log f 1 dV. Putting the value of E and dV is equal to nkt d log f upon d log t plus d log f upon d log v. 11th dt upon t is equal to d log t and dV upon d is equal to d log v. Expression 11 gives the relation between heat content and partial function. P is equal to nkt d log f upon dt to nkt square log f d log f upon dt. Free energy G is equal to h minus t. Substituting the value of h and s from equations 11 and 8th in 12th we get G is equal to nkt d log f upon d log plus d log f upon d log v nk log f plus kt d log f upon dt nkt d log f upon d log t minus log f 13 as n minus nkt square d log f and dt is equal to minus nkt d log f upon dt d log t. Expression 13 gives the relation between free energy and partition function is equal to nk log f nkt d log f upon dt. 8th h is equal to nkt d log f upon d log t plus d log f upon d log v. With capacity Cv is equal to d upon dt at constant v is equal to nkt d log f upon dt. Differentiating equation third with respect to temperature at constant volume, we get d upon dt at constant v is equal to डी अपॉन डी टी एन के टी स्क्वायर डी लाग एफ अपॉन डी टी सी बी इक्वल टू एन के डी वाई डी टी स्क्वायर डी लाग एफ बाई अपॉन डी टी 14 क्लासिक क्लैपेरॉन इक्वेशन। ये भी दोस्तों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। फेज ट्रांजिशन के बीच होने वाली एंट्रोपी चेंजेस की कैलकुलेशन के लिए यूजफुल होती है। सॉलिड और सॉलिड लिक्विड लिक्विड वेपर यदि दो फेज ए और बी इक्विलिब्रियम में है तो जे टू बी जी अपॉन जे बी एट इक्विलिब्रियम जे डेल्टा एल जी इक्वल टू जीरो जी माइनस जी बी इक्वल टू जीरो जी इक्वल टू जी बी। इस सिस्टम का टेम्परेचर डी टी बढ़ा दे तो गिब्स फ्री एनर्जी में भी टी जी अमाउंट चेंज हो जाता है। फॉर फेज जी ए प्लस डी जी ए एट इक्विलिब्रियम जी ए प्लस डी जी ए इक्वल टू जी बी प्लस डी जी बी जी ए प्लस टी जी ए प्लस जी बी प्लस टी जी बी बट जी ए इक्वल टू जी बी डी जी ए बराबर डी जी बी जी इक्वल टू यू प्लस पी बी माइनस टी एस ऑन डिफरेंशिएटिंग डी जी इक्वल टू टी यू प्लस डी पी प्लस ए डी पी माइनस टी डी एस माइनस एस टी टी इक्वेशन थर्ड फ्रॉम सेकंड टी डी एस इक्वल टू डी जी इक्वलेंट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट लाइन डी इक्वलेंट रिवर्सिबल पी डी यू प्लस ए डी बी इक्वल टू डी यू प्लस पी डी डी ए बराबर बी ए डी पी माइनस एस ए डी टी डी जी बी इक्वल टू बी पी डी टी एस बी डी टी फ्रॉम इक्वेशन थर्ड एस डी जी बराबर डी जी पी वी ए डी पी माइनस एस ए डी टी वी जी वी पी डी पी माइनस एस पी डी टी वी ए माइनस वी वी इक्वल टू डी एस ए माइनस एस बी इंटू डी पी इक्वल टू डी पी अपॉन टी डेल्टा एस अपॉन क्वेश्चन से फ्रॉम सेकंड डेल्टा एस इक्वल टू डेल्टा क्यू अपॉन टी इक्वल टू डेल्टा एच अपॉन टी डी पी फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन 6 डी पी अपॉन डी टी इक्वल टू डेल्टा एच अपॉन टी डेल्टा इक्वेशन 7 क्लैपेरॉन इक्वेशन लिक्विड से वेपर डी पी अपॉन डी टी इक्वल टू डेल्टा एच अपॉन टी डेल्टा वी इक्वेशन 8 फॉर वेपराइजेशन ऑफ लिक्विड वेपर डेल्टा वी इक्वल टू वी वी एल डेल्टा वी इसको वॉल्यूम ऑफ फेज वेपर वी वी माइनस वी एल नियरली इक्वल टू फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 8 डी पी इक्वल टू अपन डी टी डेल्टा एस and T V equation 9 from gases P V equal to R T W equal to R T by P T from equation D P upon D T delta H into P upon R T square D L log P बराबर delta H upon R D T upon T से इंटीग्रेटेड इक्वेशन Q1 से Q2 D log P equal to minus delta H upon R D मतलब T to D T upon T square log P2 upon P1 equal to delta H upon T delta H upon R T upon minus 2 upon delta H upon R log P2 upon P equal to minus T1 के 2T2 log P2 इक्वल टू माइनस डेल्टा एच अपॉन आर T1 माइनस T2 अपॉन T2। धन्यवाद दोस्तों। चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।